Hey there, we are here today with the C400 at Sun Studios. Now, we've been fortunate enough to have this for a few days, shooting a support act campaign for Ausmusic T-Shirt Day, and then want to try it and see what it's like out on the field at a music festival. Just see how versatile this camera really is.
One of the main reasons we're super excited for it is the dual pixel CMOS sensor that C400 has, which is this huge upgrade. We're going to have graphics moving around them, which is why the C400 6K CMOS sensor is perfect for this, because we're going to be doing a bunch of punching in, a bunch of fake camera movements in After Effects with a lot of rotoscoping. So I can't wait to edit it next week.
We've got a really busy weekend here in Melbourne, one show at the beautiful Royal Botanic Gardens and a show at the iconic Sydney Mine Music Bowl.
And with this setup today, we've got the 24-105. We want to keep it really portable, really light.
The artists on stage are always lit really well. However, half the storytelling is in the crowd's reactions, who are mostly in the dark. With the triple native ISO, we can now comfortably capture those moments with minimal noise, sharp images, and retain that dynamic range for color grading. It's great to have these added features in the C400, so now it's just for us to really worry about being at the right place at the right time to get the shot.